Incorporating hold into the other commands at this point. She's working sit right now. Sit, hold. Gonna put this in her mouth a little bit straighter. Hold. We're trying to work our way around her. We've already made it around once. Now we're gonna try and make it twice. Hold. No, hold. That's twice. That's success. Hold. Hold. There we go. Hold. 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 Good. Hold. Good girl. Hold. Hold. Good. Hold. Hold. Train's coming in. I'm going to take it out of her mouth because this will cause excitement. Drop. Good girl. That's good. And it's very important that we start getting the dog used to that she needs to hold stuff when she's moving, and she's not moving yet, and that's a few days down the road, but we're going to incorporate hold into the commands that she's learning. Hold. Same thing as if she was just doing sit. I start circling the dog, try and make my way all the way around without her moving. Hold. If she would drop it, it'd probably be when I went around the backside. So I'm just trying to hold. Good girl. Hold. 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 That was success. Hold. 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 Good. Hold. Good girl. Hold. Hold. Good. Hold. Hold. Train's coming in. I'm going to take it out of her mouth because this will cause excitement. Drop. Good girl.